Managing phone data can be tricky. Wondershare TunesGo makes it easy to transfer files, back up data, and organize your media. In this video, we'll review its features, performance, and value. Part 1. What is Wondershare TunesGo? Wondershare TunesGo is an all-in-one phone manager for Android and iOS. It lets you transfer, back up, and organize music, photos, videos, contacts, and messages easily. No iTunes needed. Fast, simple, and compatible with Windows and macOS. Part 2. Key features of Wondershare TunesGo. Wondershare TunesGo lets you transfer data between Android, iPhone, and PC. Manage media, back up and restore files, organize contacts and SMS, handle apps, and fix iOS issues all in one tool. Part 3. How to use Wondershare TunesGo. Wondershare TunesGo. Install, connect your Android or iPhone. Choose file transfer, backup or app management, transfer or backup files. Fix iOS issues if needed, then eject and disconnect. Part 4. Pros and cons of Wondershare TunesGo. Pros: manage and transfer files, backup, recover, works on iOS or Android or PC. Simple interface. Cons: paid features, free limits. Some functions need internet. Support can be slow. Part 5. Best Wondershare TunesGo alternative. For a simpler, cheaper alternative to TunesGo, Mobikin Assistant for iOS handles data transfer, backup, and management with a clean, easy-to-use interface. Lightweight, budget-friendly, and perfect for everyday iPhone tasks. How to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to transfer and manage iPhone or iPad data. Step 1. Download and install Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Then connect your iPhone to the computer via USB. Launch the program and let it detect your device automatically. Step 2. Choose a data type, for example, photos, music. Then click Export or Import to transfer files between iPhone and computer. Step 3. Go to categories like Contacts or Messages to add, delete, or edit data directly on your computer. Step 4. Click Super Toolkit, Backup. Select data types, and back up your iPhone in one click. Choose Restore. Select a backup file, and recover your data to the device easily.